Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today I want to give you a quick tip for your mixed media journal, because we just started a course all about mixed media journaling at Sketchbook Skool. So if you haven't signed up yet, go to sketchbookskool.com and sign up for this awesome course. If you want to make art but you feel like you can't really draw, then this is the perfect course for you, because you can just dive in and start making art. And if you do like drawing, this is also really a great course to take, because you will be taken out of your comfort zone with a lot of painting, color, textures and lots more. Things that will also come in useful for your sketchbook habit. And you can draw if you want to. That's the beauty of mixed media journaling. You can do whatever you want, as long as you express yourself and have fun. So today I want to show you just a few quick tips on how to fill a page, or at least a layer, because mixed media journaling is mainly all about layering. Collage, paint, line, ink, anything that you can think about. So I have just a few things here that I got from my stash of art supplies, and you might have similar stuff in your drawers or on the shelf. So let's start with some crayons. Why not? That's the tool most of us started out with as kids, right? Mixed media journaling is all about experimenting and playing, and it's so much fun. So what I am learning by doing here is that the white crayon gives a really great texture on the background that are already made beforehand. It's kind of transparent, so it blends nicely into the blue background. Let's try a bolder black and see what that brings to the page. These crayons dry water resistant, so I can paint over it and glue stuff on top without worrying that the colors will bleed. And even if that would happen, that might actually turn out to be a good thing. Just go with the flow. You can make simple marks without really thinking about where it's going, because that's the fun thing about mixed media journaling. You don't really need to think about what you want to make. You are just making. When India ink dries up, it's water resistant. So as part of the background that will be partly covered with collage, stamps or paint, let's make some fingerprint marks with that. Simply use your finger and make dots. Look at that. Each dot looks different. Some dots are juicy, some are a bit drier. It's very organic. By leaving your fingerprint, you are adding something very unique and personal, which makes this page even more you. And that's really what your mixed media journal is all about. It's your personal journey on the page. These are poster paint sticks. You can use tempera or gouache or acrylic paint, but these sticks are pretty fun because it kind of looks like a big lipstick, and you can make really nice roundish marks with them. When you're making marks, collaging and painting in your journal, you will see that repeating patterns or just repetitions of colors or shapes brings balance to your page. Now I'll let this dry, and who knows what happens next. Maybe I will experiment with a bit of collage and add more paint, do some stamping. I have so many ways to express myself. I just go with the flow and enjoy the whole process. I am not at all an experienced mixed media journaler, as you may know. Yesterday I just started taking the course Mixed Media Journaling at sketchbookskool.com, along with a lot of other enthusiastic students. And I'm already learning so much, so that is actually what I'm sharing with you. But of course there is so much more that I cannot teach you, but the amazing teachers at Sketchbook Skool, they will. We have very experienced mixed media artists who are teaching in this course, and they make incredible art. They will inspire you to make your own art, and they will show you how and how you can do it, because yes, you can. So sign up for mixed media journaling at sketchbookskool.com, and I will see you in class. Bye.